angle.
I'm a little bit afraid that that one's going into some trees.
Yeah, it might. I wonder if he's going to take down this tree too, because that is so pathetic looking. I mean, not meaning today, but yeah. I mean, all the trees that didn't get taken down are ugly. All the nice ones got taken down or smashed, like that dogwood and those roses. Whoa. The wind's blowing this way.